Wow, kakarating lang namin dito sa Jollibee. Ayun ang Jollibee. Jollibee. Sira mo sa pagod mag-drive. Layo ng Jollibee dito sa Toronto. Ayan na. Susulong na sa Jollibee. Tayo sa Seafood City. Diba? Maganda pala dito first time na natin nakarating dito sa ito na ang Jollibee. Kain ka na ng Jollibee? Papasok na kami ng Jollibee. Ito Jollibee. Ay, wala si Mr. Jollibee dito.
You want spaghetti? Spaghetti. Peach mango mix? Right? How many? Oh, then
Daming Jollibee dito, guys. First time punta ng Jollibee Wow, sarap ng spaghetti ng Jollibee.
Si Kuya, wait lang, share natin si Kuya. Wait lang.
Chicken ng Jollibee. Ayan, sarap. Kanin ng Jollibee. Ayan.
Itong kanin ng Jollibee.
Ayan, sarap. Sarap ng Jollibee. Ito na naman, kakarating lang namin sa aming hotel dito sa Niagara. Dito kami titira muna. Kakarating lang ng mga trupa. Pagod kalayo. So maya kami ay pupunta kasi doon banda sa likod ng building na yan, dyan na yung Niagara Falls. Kaya pupunta kami dyan mamayang gabi. So sige, abangan natin mamaya.
Wow, holding hands for walking, sana all. Yay, one couple, second couple. Yung pangatlong may anak na isa. Wala nang video kaya wala nang holding hands. Kala mo na makis daw. Gaganyan tayo, te? Sige, hindi papayat na hindi. Ay, dito ba yan? Ako. Magkano ba yan? Ano yan? Yung speedway. Magkano yan?
Dapat dinala ko yung sa ano yan. Tingnan nyo, nag-okay pa. Talaga naman. Okay.
Dito baka mahagip ka ba ng sasakyan? Hello, hindi ko pala napindot kanina yung video. That's my ate again. That's Keith. Me! Nakatingin siya sa akin. Ako'y nahihiya. No darkness. Look at that. Haunted house. Gusto mo mag-haunted house, te?
Haunted house nga tayo. Kahit malay mo, 15 lang.
Ay, hindi ngayon. Baka mamaya.
Hanggang anong alis na sila?
That's them. Midnight, siguro.
Babalik tayo kahit ano?
Ano ba?
Kaya tayo.
Ano gusto ko?
Gusto ko ng haunted house.
Your city and all ever gonna be is me.
Cherry blossom.
Where is it? Pink lang ah. Siya kay cherry lang.
Cinema Monster. 9. King Kong. The Mummy.
Pag pinanood ito, ay Hindi, doon, ayun. Ayun ah.
Lamig dito.
Kaya nga po, biglang lumami.
Oo, tabing ano eh.
Nasa kabila ng US
Dito ang
na.
magandang hotel.
Aba, syempre naman, te.
Ayan, US Falls na yon.
Ano ang kwento mo? Hi! Pagka-load naman ni React.
Not too loud. That's everyone. I cannot see. That's Tito Roy. Mommy. Say hi. Where are we? Wait, Tangi, where are we?
Ha?
Hi.
Hi there, kabayan.
Say, here, your phone.
Where's the waterfall? That's the waterfall. Oh my goodness.
Napagarimbok na bebe.
So cute and beautiful.
Pretty. Oh, you say hello to the camera.
Okay. I want to carry it.
No, I'll carry it.
What?
Oh, si Bebe, gawa ka niyan.
Go, Baba.
Ang
Ganda naman ng suot ng kanya. Wednesday eh. Change outfit.
Dapat hindi yung pang zoo eh.
That's everyone. That's the falls. Hello. I'm vlogging. Kala ko hindi ko kayo kilala. May pagtutok pa ako ng camera sa inyo. Pwede na.
Ito yung tawiran.
Oh, pa US. Let's cross here.
Pero pwedeng lakad.
Bawal.
Wala.
Press it dito.
I think so. Are we going inside the boat now?
Aray ko.
Sorry.
I'm not sure. Do you want to? Do you want?
Ask mom and dad.
I want to hold it.
Careful, ask mom and dad. This is Ate Keith. Ate Kyra.
Hi, we're here.
Daddy.
Show me. Hi.
Daddy, say hi. Daddy, say hi. Let's go.
Hi!
Dito ka sa gitna ka namin. Yeah.
Show it to Vivian.
Bebe, what do you do?
Say hi.
When you crossing the street, run for your...
Life.
Go!
Okay, here. Let's go to the falls. The falls is here. Careful, baby. Don't drop it.
Oh, wala dito. US yan pala, diba? Hindi to
To the falls.
Di ba, Ro?
Video to Yara.
Oh, dito. Let me show it. That's the...
Wait, I want to see. a boat there.
Yes. Higher, baby, higher, so they can see it.
I can't. I'm too
There's the boat.
small.
Do you wanna walk?
Over there. Can we walk over there?
Ayaw mo ni Pata.
Yara, baka malaglag mo yan ha?
The falls is here.
You say accept you will save money and Canadian money.
The falls there. Mommy, say hi. Mommy, say hi.
Hi, Yara.
No, say hi to the viewers.
Hi, viewers.
What, Yara?
Say hi to the viewers, pretty please.
Hi, what's up?
Hi. We're going somewhere else now. Hey,
Ah,
wait.
you're putting it in the air. No one's gonna watch the air. They're watching you.
Oh no.
No, you're.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Teacher? Credit card. Kara.
Oh. What happened? Toja.
Kuditi did it for me.
Okay, I got it.
It's not my fault.
No, it's not your fault.
Kara, look.
Alay na pa.
Yeah, kagulo na po ang tropa.
These guys see something green and white.
Nasaan sila? Tara, dito tayo. Baka mas, ayun, may ano, maluwang-luwang. Okay, so hi guys. So today, nagpo-photo. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, may titata naman.
May commission dapat ako dito. Dito. Gian.
No.
Gian, are we gonna go to Starbucks? Mag-smile! Marami nyo ng See, you're so cute!
Daddy, Kara, they're going to boat again.
And there's
I want to go to the boat, Daddy. Where's Daddy?
Gian mo! Hindi ko alam kung paano yan.
I want to go to the boat.
Just
right
wait,
now.
we're not done yet. There's somebody first there.
I want to see the rainbow.
Sana all.
Wait, come here. Come here na. Come here.
1, 2, 3.
I'll sit down here.
Parang 30 minutes na kami dito.
Oh, ano na yung menu?
Video ba yan? Video. Ewan ko to, pag dugtong-dugtungin mo na lang. May hot air balloon. Okay. Let's go.
Ano na, baka maubusan tayo ng memory.
Ano pa, gagantuhin ko lang.
Daddy, I want to go to the boat. Daddy, I want to go to the boat.
Naka-ready na din eh. Wala pa. Nauna kasi. Sila eh. Gian is so excited na. Gian, are you excited?
No.
Why? Yeah.
Put only one other people.
You wanna go alone?
Okay. Why? No, you can.
You go with Teacher Lynette.
I want to go alone. No.
No, you're not allowed. You need one adult.
I'm not other.
Child ka pa lang, be.
Look at your ticket.
Look at your ticket.
Yeah, it's child.
That's why I gave you change. Uh-huh. Right? I gave you change.
Show him like this. Come on, child. Ate, makakapicture ka. I-block naman yung salamin.
Nakita mo yan? Oh, makaka-picture ka dyan. Is it our turn?
Yeah, it's our turn.
Ayun ay.
Tingnan mo na daw.
May number siguro.
Camera, camera.
I'll camera you when you go there.
So, one
And then you get the camera.
inside.
He's so excited.
3, 4, yeah, 4.
Yeah, you say 4 po. How many?
4.
Oh. Pinapractice na yan sa isip. How many?
Really? 4.
Just watch your voice. Thank you. Thank you.
Can I stand up?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
Stand up and jump and...
Gusto ba mapasama sa video ate? Sige yan lamang. No, I'll take a video.
Wait, wait.
Like your...
Hey, don't swing it.
Like your...
Don't swing it.
Emergency call.
Because we're gonna... Turn on the light.
Aba, may light. Ayan na.
Excellent.
Oh!
Oh!
Hey, look down!
Dapat pala
Did they see us?
Ako. May nakita sa sunset.
Yun.
Ako, gaganda. Take a picture! Can we change? Can we change? Can we change?
Hindi naman siya doon. Hindi naman siya doon. Video na natin.
Oh, it's so beautiful! Why so
And the
scared?
falls are there.
Falls. That's the falls. That's our view. From
Elephant, the elephant.
up.
Maybe where's the car? Here's the car. Look, speeding car.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda, Mi, kasi sunset tayo. How? Uy, Gogi, nakakatakot siya dito, Mari. Oh!
Nice.
How is so beautiful,
Ay,
though.
walang parking eh, oh.
Ay, baka may bayad yan.
I think it's the goat.
Yeah, kind
Oh,
of
we're almost at...
kind of tapot.
We're at the top. At the top. Look.
Let's go!
Ganda,
Can I go show around?
Like, oh my God!
Show them.
Ang ganda nito ating ano? Itong dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Ano kasi yung golf course? Yeah.
Ano yan? Hindi free.
Hindi. Kasama din siya dun sa 6, parang 6 ano kanina.
It's so beautiful view.
Yeah.
Dapat doon tayo tinigil para may dyan.
Oo nga eh. Malay mo naman natin tayo nipigil. May gaganda na yun. Maganda na yan. Nadali ko. I go show them. Them is down there.
Yan. Exchange. Switch down
No,
there.
no, no.
Switch. I'm gonna take photo there. At the
But I'm the
phone.
video man. Take the video dinosaur. Ang ganda Ang ganda.
Are you taking a video, Gian?
Yeah.
Akin na, may video kita. So
No.
Daddy will see your reaction and everything.
But can hear us.
Huh?
Can hear us.
Yeah.
Closer to the falls. There's baby CN Tower.
Skyline Tower. That's the Skyline Tower.
We're moving!
Yes!
Wow!
Look at the falls.
Look at the fall! Laging!
May pagkanta pa ba naman? Paano ba naman yun? No?
Sayang! Ang ganda And then the piece of it in the sky. Look, the sunset is so beautiful.
Yes. Oh, Ian, ate. Picture kayo dyan sa sunset. Bye-bye. Ian, smile.
Ayun nga, kaganda nga ng sunset nila
want it.
Just for a while. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm scared
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Look at down there. It's so high.
Next na ikot dito naman kayo.
Madilim. Hindi, liliwanag ko ito. Yan, ganyan.
Oh, what happened?
Okay.
Kailangan pa ng minutes bago ano. Ate, ang ganda. Buti na lang dito muli tayo, no? Kasi first time din naman natin eh. Ito nga naman. Kaya namang pagkakagumanda eh. Talaga namang. Ate, picture mo naman ako dyan. Palibag nasa taas tayo.
Pagbalik na ano? Kabila.
Wow.
Going down
Ate,
fast.
nakabidyo ka pala po. Ano? Napairit na noon ng ano. Kaya ka po top of the world ka pa, ha?
No, I don't like to get off.
The world died. No, we will still go up. One more. Or I think few more.
Dalawa.
Yeah, I got a lot. Yeah, I think 5.
nila tayo.
Ayun, oh, nakakaway sila, oh.
Ah! To the sunset again.
Did you... Can you see them? Hawak mo ang beat.
Oh, I'm going up.
Laki na.
Can I go there? I'm just gonna take
Okay,
a photo
go.
of the sunset.
I want to jump. Oh,
Hey, aba.
can I wiggle it?
Don't wiggle it.
Why? Whoa! Look at the sun.
Parang mas maganda pag mas madilim pa.
Oh, that's my ate. That's
Uy, maganda
me.
dito.
That's this.
Hindi yung may sinagang araw.
This is me.
Oh,
We're here at the
kasi
Ferris
tignan mo.
wheel.
Look at the purple light.
Teka, ito na lang kay Karo. Dali ako
Ate,
kay
grabe ka naman sa phone ko.
Ah, hindi. Sabi mo kasi wala nang...
Kami daw. Oo, maano kasi.
Ay, ko. Tama mo yung
Ayan,
sinagang
maganda,
araw.
maganda.
Okay.
Yeah, I see them. Wait, that them?
1, 2, 3. Abi natin din naman ang cellphone mo. Lumiwanag. 1, 2, 3.
Where them at?
Oh, lumayan na siya ng bongga. Ate, nakapikit yan.
I see only that.
Yung hindi, si Ate ka na lang.
Okay, guys, go look up to the sunset.
1, 2, 3. Yan. Bigay sa pangalan ko.
Kasi yung sun, ano, rays
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pumunta ka dito. Again, take
Yan,
photo.
take a photo